I did a poll on Instagram asking if people wanted to see my post-workout smoothie recipe, and I got a resounding yes. So I do post polls asking people like what type of content they want to see, and so don't forget to follow me. I also post Motivational Monday posts and Wellness Wednesday posts on my stories and on my page. So don't forget to follow me at That Girl Creates, and let's get into it. We have the collagen powder, which helps with joints. You know, my knees ain't what it used to be. You know, I ain't out here having a hot girl summer like that no more. So, but the collagen powder, you know, helps out with it. Got the Burdock, the Bladderwrack. I just empty the capsules and dump it in there. Got some coconut bites just to, you know, give a little island flavor. You know, a little tropicalness. The protein, the unsweetened milk, chia seeds, the banana. Now this is a regular banana, but usually we get burro bananas. And if you don't know why burro bananas are good, you can watch my other video that I'll link in the description. But basically I got this one from the spa, and so I'm just gonna put that in there. And this is the mixed fruit. This bag of fruit has peaches, mango, strawberry, and pineapple. I'm also going to add some dates to make it sweet, and it has good fiber and potassium and all that goodness. We got that from Sam's Club. So this is pretty much the basis of what I'm going to put in. Sometimes I use berries, but I'm feeling like really tropical today, so we're going to go ahead and whip this up. So far I just added in the date, the coconut bites, and the chia seeds, just because sometimes it takes a little bit longer to chop up. And also don't forget to put your dates. I made the mistake the first time I made a smoothie, and it just sounded like it was a shootout happening in my blender, and I'm like, what is that? And then I realized that there's pits in it. So definitely take the pits out your dates because this isn't the best blender, and I'm not trying to mess it up. Look how high up it is before I even put the fruit in. Like, I'm already at a cup, almost a cup and a half. But basically, yeah, these are the powders. I put the banana and the capsules in. So I'm just going to add the fruit and top it off with the almond milk. So here it is, everything in there. And hopefully the powder, sometimes the powder sticks, and I usually put it in like on top. So I wanted to try it, but now it looks like it might even be worse with sticking. But we'll see. Gonna go ahead and blend this baby on up. It's looking light skin. I was thinking about putting in some mixed berries just for color, but I'm gonna let y'all know it's good. Like, sometimes it looks like this if you don't get the luck of the draw and have more strawberries. So now as you see this, I am going to add just a little bit of berries.